everybody, welcome to Hands on Science, where if you need anything to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey.
Hey, Mel.
Hey.
What's with your weird ball in a cup here?
Well, it was not really a ball, so let's just be very careful. It's actually an egg.
Like a chicken egg?
Like a chicken egg.
That's not like any chicken egg I've ever seen.
Yeah, it does not have its shell. We're going to call it bouncy egg today because we're going to bounce the egg.
But it's an egg.
But it's an
from
egg.
A chicken.
Yes.
That bounces.
Yes.
Without breaking.
Yes.
I want to see.
Shall we try and bounce it first?
Yes, please.
Okay. Let's go ahead. I'm going to grab a tray just because I don't want it to fall off our table.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to just kind of dump it out. Let's see, it's going to roll out. There we go.
Is the egg leaking?
It is kind of leaking. It was soaking in vinegar.
So soft.
Yeah, it's so soft, but I think if you press it more, it's going to break. It's very, very fragile.
So just...
Give it a gentle took.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
I can see the yolk in it.
Yes.
It's so cool.
Can you smell something?
It smells... Oh, it smells like vinegar.
Yes. So this is how we're going to make one. Okay, so let's make one today. We're going to get... Oh, let me move this to the side. Yay. I'm going to bring my yolk back so we can see what it looks like here. But really simple. We're going to get... We're going to get an egg.
So that looks like all the eggs I've ever seen.
Yes. Typical egg. Any size egg, small, medium, large.
Can you do it with the brown eggs?
You definitely can use brown egg.
Okay.
Okay, because what's going to happen is... and by the way, you can either use a raw egg. This is a raw egg I have in here, or you can use a boiled egg.
So it doesn't matter?
It doesn't matter. What does matter is after it's done, the way it bounces will be different.
Oh, interesting.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so but we do have a raw egg, so we're going to do raw egg, bouncy egg. So just grab an egg and a cup. I advise you to get a glass cup, better. Some distilled vinegar, white vinegar,
and this
works
is
well.
Just kitchen vinegar that you would use to
Kitchen vinegar, yes. Try to get the distilled white vinegar. That works better. And you're just going to pour into the cup. And what you're going to do is you want to cover the vinegar.
So it covers the egg?
Yes, it covers the egg. And you're going to soak it in there for about 3 days at the best.
Okay.
If you keep it in longer, it starts to disintegrate the shell. So you're actually going to see this in here.
So the vinegar makes a regular egg look like that.
Yes.
By disintegrating the shell.
Yes. So the vinegar is very acidic, so it actually starts to get the
that is so cool.
The egg
and you said it takes about 3 days.
3 days. So that's what happens after 3 days.
That's so cool.
Keep it on the side, and you'll know when it's ready because you're going to see little yellow dots. So you just take them out, put it under this
where you can see
sink.
like whatever this membrane is instead of the white shell.
Yes, and then you take it out and rinse it off.
If you guys at home can see on camera, but I can see the yolk that's in there, like as it kind of moves around. That's so crazy. I love it. I love it a lot. Guys, if you liked this activity and this example as much as I did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, for more, subscribe down below. We'll see you next time.